Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. So my only variable in this equation is x, which I have twice, so that's what I'm going to be solving for. Now for my solution. I'm going to rewrite my equation down here, so I have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. And now the first thing I'm going to do is take the power of 5 on both sides. So I get x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. And m and n, I can change the places of these two, so this is the same thing as a to the power of n times m. Now, if a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n, then a to the power of n times m, this should equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So, in simpler terms, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So knowing this, for x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, I can think of x to the power of 5 as m and 5 as n. So if I switch the place of these two, I get x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, from here, I'm going to let x to the power of 5 equal to the variable y. So if I substitute in y for x to the power of 5, I get y to the power of y is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, 100 is the same thing as 10 to the power of 2. So I get y to the power of y is equal to 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. And remember, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5 is going to equal 10 to the power of 2 times 5, which is equal to 10 to the power of 10. Now from here, I could use the property of exponents that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, I have y to the power of y is equal to 10 to the power of 10, so this must mean that y is equal to 10. So if y equals 10, remember how we let x to the power of 5 equal to y, so this means that x to the power of 5 is equal to 10, and x is equal to the fifth root of 10. So now to check, I'm going to plug this into my equation, x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. The fifth root of 10 is the same thing as 10 to the power of 1 over 5. So 10 to the power of 1 over 5 times 5, these two cancel out, and 1 over 5 times 10 is 2, so I get 10 squared is equal to 100, and 100 is equal to 100.